Batteries! Why stand them up? Oh, I know why.
Why?
They're probably gonna fall over.
Yeah. Who cares?
Why stand them up?
Why not?
Oh yeah, so they can melt down.
Oh my gosh, it's already sparking. One fell.
Both. Whichever one has more thing in it.
And they're doing nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now they're doing something.
Oh, it's like red hot.
Oh, what was that?
That's the tray rattling around inside.
Oh, something's happening.
No, nothing's happening.
I think we should leave it in there and just see the after result. It's probably just melting down.
Oh, that's cool.
Flicker.
Taser, another taser.
I don't think it's gonna do anything else. Let's let it in for another 2 seconds. Oh, it's going. What happened? Nothing.
Really.
Are they hot?
Definitely.
They're in the snow. They're cold now.